Hello friends, we are here on this channel to learn about digital textile printing. I want to keep my explanation very simple rather than too technical. Once we understand the basic, we will analyze each and every point detailedly as well as technically in later stage. What is textile digital printing? We all know small desktop printers where we take printouts of papers. Same way in textile, we can print in fabric. That printing process is called textile digital printing. There are three stages in digital printing. Number 1, pre-process. In this process, once fabric received, they will do some process in it before it go to printing process. We will learn these process in our future videos. Number 2, printing process. Once fabric is ready, they will feed into digital printing machine and give command for printing. If required, we will do a complete video later in same topic. Number 3, post process. Once printing is done, it goes to azer, washing and finishing process. Then it will proceed to the packing department. From there it will cut, pack, roll and deliver to the concerned clients. All above three process may look simple, but it has lots of technicality in every step. All above are the basics of textile digital printing. Now let's start with the main topic of the design creation in digital textile printing. There is a lot of softwares are available to do the designs, but mostly Adobe Photoshop is used for digital printing. In this channel, we are going to learn about digital print designs in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is a software we can edit in any kind of image. We can create any kind of designs. It's a multi-purpose software. It uses in textile as well as many other fields like films, animation, graphic, etc. So let's start the Photoshop tutorial from our next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.